Welcome again, YouTube. Max One Chase One. This video is going to be on the correct positioning and tightening of the front axle holder of an 84 to 87 Goldwing 1200. First of all, I said with the contradiction between everybody's having a problem with is about this gap here. Now when you put this on, like I said, the first thing you want to make sure that you have that arrow here showing on the outside, on the right side, facing forward. That looks like it's a little F. Now if you look on the other side, the arrow should be facing this direction as well, and it's got a little F facing forward. Now if you took this one and put it on that side, and if it was on the outside, it would be on wrong, and then the arrow would be facing to the rear. But if you tried to keep it in this configuration and you just slid it right across to the other side, this would be on the inside of the axle, which is wrong. Alright, so the same thing what you do, you place it on there, screw up the front end, but don't tighten it yet. Then you screw up the rear one, and then when it comes time that you put the other side on, you got them both hand tight. Torque this one till the gap closes, and then you tighten up the rear one until the gap gets kind of close, and then you go back and you grab your torque meter. It's a specific torque for it. I don't have it right on hand, but tighten the front one until the gap comes close together to the right torque specifications, and then you do the one on the rear, and you do the exact same thing on the other side, and then that is correct. Don't worry about trying to close that gap. You close that gap, you're gonna snap that nut. All right, again, look for that arrow, look for that little F, and it should be on the right side. And this is the only side that this one's gonna be on properly. You can put it on the other side, but it would be on improperly. Right side one, and the other one's on the other side, and that's the one with the nut on it. Alright? Again, YouTube, appreciate you watching. Share this video, help those out who still think that they need to close that gap. But as long as you got this front one closed and torque to the right specifications, and then you go ahead and tighten up the rear one, the wheel won't come off. I hope it don't anyway. Alright? Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share with your friends. These are great machines, and as Max One Chase One always say, makes one thing out, chase another one. Thanks for watching.